All right, inequalities, student handout number 4, writing inequalities. Verbal statements can be translated to algebraic inequalities, much like deciphering a secret message or translating from one language to the other. So what are some words that could describe what that is? Okay, we could say smaller than. We could say less than. We could say below. We could also say fewer than. All right. Here we could say more than. We could say greater than. We could say larger than. We could say above. We could even say exceeds. Okay. Here we can say maximum. We can say at most. We can say no more than. And we can also say, obviously, less than or equal to. And the last one, we can say minimum, at least, no less than, or we could say greater than or equal to. All right. The directions below say translate each of the following into an algebraic inequality. So a number, so x, is at most. So go back up to the top, at most. Which way should that go? Okay. And at most 15. Because right here it said at most under that one. There it is right there, the second one. Okay. All right, number 2. The sum of a number and 3. So what does sum mean? Add, subtract, multiply, or divide? Add. Okay, so the sum, so that means you're going to add x plus 3 is less than 12. So we'll go up top, which sign should be less than? That one right there is less than 12. All right, number 3, the quotient, that means divide, of a number and a negative 2. So a number divided by a negative 2 is greater than or equal to 10. So go back up top, greater than or equal to, there it is, 10. All right, number 4. 4 less than a number, so it'd be x minus 4. How do I know to put the x first? Because less than means that goes there and the number goes there. Okay. Is at least negative 6. Go up top, which one is at least? It's that sign right there. There you go. Number 5. The difference between subtract. The difference between a number and 13 is at least 1. Okay, same sign as we just did at least, so I'm not going to scroll up to the top. Okay, number 6, 8 less a number. So 8 less means subtract, so 8 minus x. Okay. Oops. Is less than or equal to 5. 3 times a number, so 3x is more than -7. More than -7. For the sign, all you got to do is scroll up to the top and see which word it uses. 1/2 a number, okay, so that's 1/2 of x plus 5 is greater than 11. -6 plus a number, so -6 plus x is less than or equal to 15. So guys, you really have to slow down and read the question word by word, okay? All right, the back says to translate each statement to algebraic inequality, then solve and graph. So now we just have to solve it and graph it once we get it, okay? The sum, which is adding, of twice a number, so 2x plus 4 is at least 16. Now let's solve that. Subtract 4. You're left with 2x is greater than or equal to 12. Divide by 2. X is greater than or equal to 6. Okay, go down here. 6, 7, 8. Close dot on 6. It is greater than, so it goes to the right. Okay, next one. 1/2 a number, so 1/2 x is less than 6, or less 6. Is greater than or equal to 10. Solve it. Add 6. 1/2 x is greater than or equal to 16. Divide by 1/2. And you're going to get x is greater than or equal to 32. Go to your graph, go ahead and number that. It's going to be a closed dot. It's greater than, so it goes to the right. All right, 3 times a number, so 3x. Increase means to add, plus 7 is less than 11. All right, so let's solve it. Minus 7. 3x is less than 4. Divide by 3. X is less than 1 1/3. So let's go ahead and graph that. 1 1/3, 2 1/3. All right. Open dot. It is less than, so it goes to the left. 13, give me just 1 second. I forgot to clock in. I have to clock in. All right. Almost done. All right, beautiful. 13, the difference of 2 and a number. So the difference of 2 minus x is at least -1. Is at least -1. So let's go ahead, subtract 2 from both sides, negative x, divide by -1, and you're going to get x, alert, flip the sign because I divided both sides by -1. X is less than or equal to 3. Go down here, 3, 4, 5, 2, 1. I'm going to be a closed dot on 3. It is less than goes to the left. There you go. Okay, number 14, the quotient, so we're dividing, okay, of a number and 5. So x over 5 is no greater than -9. So go ahead and solve that. To do that, you just multiply by 5. And you're going to get x is less than or equal to -45. All right, go down here, graph it for me. -45, -44, -43, -46, -47. It's a closed dot on -45. It is less than, so it goes to the left. Okay. Number 15, twice a number, so that's 2x, is less than 20. Okay. So 2x less than means put the next number first, so 20 minus 2x is at most 10. Okay. So we're going to subtract 20. Going to leave you with -2x is less than or equal to -10. Divide by -2. Alert. X is less. X is greater than or equal to 20. Go down here to the bottom. 20, 21, 22, 19, and 18. It's a closed dot on 20. It is greater than, so it goes to the right. Which of the following inequality statements is represented by the graph below? So you just kind of have to work them out. Okay. We know it's not C because x is less than, so that one would point to the left, and we know it points to the right, so we know that one's not it right off the bat. This one looks pretty easy to work out, so let's go ahead and work this one out. We're going to multiply both sides by 2. X is greater than or equal to -4. Okay, greater than or equal to, that's a closed dot, and is greater than, so it goes to the right, so the answer is D. I don't even have to work the other ones out. All right. That is it for today. See you guys on the flip side.